Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix moisture detected error in charging port on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Let's go! Okay guys, so it's very easy. All you need to do, to be honest, is clean the port with compressed air, and if it didn't work, you go to settings, you scroll down here to apps, then you click here on this free line and this arrow, and you toggle it on show system apps. And as you can see, you have apps that were hidden by system. You need to find USB settings. I won't be doing that. I will just look for it here. In the top right corner, you have a search bar. We are gonna use it. USB settings. As you can see here, I have it. I click on it. Then we go to storage, and we clear cache, and we clear data. Okay guys, and now it should work, because sometimes when, for example, the rain catches you, it's you have your phone in your pocket, and the rain catches you, you are soaking wet, your phone might get some water inside. Okay, the next day there is no water, but your phone system still thinks that there is water, so you need to clear the data. Okay guys, thank you for watching, have a good day, goodbye.